skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skull will shock your soul and seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons.
Hello, my name is Karldriksen, and if you are wondering why I have this bucket of boiling water on my hand, well, I'm going to throw it on Mrs. Dubois. Ha 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 ha.
Alright, I'm gonna go and use the Oh my fucking goodness, it is so boiling that I will die.
Ha 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 ha. I hope the water I threw at you wasn't too boiling, Mrs. Dubois.
Eric Karldriksen, I can't believe that you poured a bucket of boiling water on Mrs. Dubois. You should know that throwing boiling water at someone can sometimes result in death. That's it, I'm suspending you from school for 3 weeks. Go home and I will call your parents about what you did.
Eric Karldriksen, we can't believe you threw a bucket of boiling water at Mrs. Dubois at school. You should know that what you did was a crime, and she could have died because of you.
That's it. You are grounded until your suspension is over. March upstairs to your room and think about what you did, young man.
Why?